I could jump back on the Skyliner here at the Riviera and ride it on over to the Caribbean, and then from the Caribbean Skyliner you go back to my resort hotel. But I'd rather just walk through the Caribbean Beach Resort. The Riviera and the Caribbean are connected walkway, so it's just nice to stroll through the Caribbean Beach Resort.
Taxi dust.
Do you see my shadow? Looks like I'm flying. Off to Neverland. More Skyliner views. Isn't the reflection of the Skyliner station in the water so pretty?
Hey! Come back, wherever you are!